I was doing some thinking about the upcoming World Cup qualifiers for Jamaica and looking at the options for this Jamaican attack. The likes of Leon Bailey playing and scoring goals in the German Bundesliga. Shamar Nicholson hitting the target in the Belgian Premiership. David Orgil doing the same in the Turkish League. Bobby Reid doing his thing in the English Championship. People like Corey Burke and Darren Mattox can't even get a look in. Now, Jamaican people and Jamaican football fans, when you look at the attacking force, why Jamaica can do some serious damage in this CONCACAF qualifying group? It's just a matter of how we put the pieces together, how Coach Whitmore set up the defensive organization, and how the midfield supports the attack. Not to mention, we have one of the best goalkeepers in the region in Andre Blake. Plus, the search is still on in England for more options. So we are set, all things considered, we have the firepower to wake up some ants' nest in this World Cup qualifying campaign. As long as all the other things fall into place, such as the preparation and the sponsorship and the support of the fans, etc. But don't worry, all of that will come when the wagon full up again. What up? The wagon arrived. Jump up, go on up on the wagon. Go on up on the wagon, go. Jump up on the wagon, don't leave my space, leave my space.